Today we are making delicious chicken lemon, serving it with rice. So let's see what you need. Chicken, mayo, onion, half of the lemon, breadcrumbs, flour, capers, and you can serve it with the rice or potatoes. I'm gonna serve today with rice, but you can also serve with even pasta. So let's cut the chicken, clean it, and dip it in mayo and breadcrumbs. As you can see here in a smaller bowl, I have 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm seasoning it with the salt and pepper to your taste. And I'm gonna dip the chicken breast on both sides in the mayonnaise mix and then in the breadcrumbs on both sides. My chicken, I like to cut them on the smaller sizes so they're not too big, actually like kind of bite sizes, almost like chicken nugget size. I don't like them like 1-2 big slices because it was like 2 breasts, so I cut them on the smaller sizes. You can cut your chicken any way you want it and prefer it. I just find out this size is more easier to fry it and serve it. Over here I'm frying the chicken on the pan, both sides. Once it's gold on both sides, you can set it aside, and on separate pan we're gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and then fry the onion golden brown. Once your onion is softened and brown, add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it with the whisk until all oil is absorbed. Once this is done, I have had 3 cups of chicken stock ready, and I'm gonna slowly add in the parts. When you add the chicken stock, mix it with the whisk. You have to use the whisks for this part, so everything is mixed as it should be. Add it slowly, let it simmer for a little bit. Don't rush this part. Let it simmer for about 5-7 minutes. Once this is done, you can add mayonnaise. You need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, add 1 at a time and whisk it until everything is dissolved and incorporated. You'll see a little bit like, I would say, clumps or crumbs. Don't worry about it. The mayo will dissolve and will be smooth sauce at the end. Don't stress about it. It's supposed to happen this way, so if this happens, you are on good way to have a delicious sauce for your chicken. Once you add the mayo and you whisk it all together, it's time to add your lemon. Squeeze in half of the lemon and whisk it again. Let it simmer for a little bit, and at the end Don't forget to season your sauce with salt and pepper. And the last part, what I do is I add the capers. I don't know if you like the capers. If you don't, you can skip this part. If you like it, you can add it. I find out this capers adds like additional tastes. So I added about 2 tablespoons of capers. And once this cooked a little bit, I transfer my chicken to the sauce. Spread it evenly so every piece is dipped in the sauce. When you spread the chicken around, cover your pan and let it simmer for about 5 to maybe 7 minutes so chicken absorbs a little bit of the sauce and all the flavors are incorporate all together. Cover it and let it simmer. And now our rice is ready, chicken is ready, and you can serve it. Look how delicious it looks. I garnish mine with the fresh parsley. You can use dill. Bon appetit!